Bay windows are a timeless architectural feature that enhances the charm and functionality of any home. For Orangeburg homeowners, where comfort and energy savings are high priorities, investing in energy-efficient bay windows is a smart choice. These windows offer a perfect blend of beauty, practicality, and sustainability, making them a valuable addition to your property. In this article, we'll explore why energy-efficient bay windows are a must-have for Orangeburg homes and how they can transform your living space. What are energy-efficient bay windows? Bay windows are a combination of 3 windows arranged in a curve or angle, projecting outward from the home. Their design creates a panoramic view, ample natural light, and additional space inside the home. When crafted with energy-efficient materials and technologies, these windows go beyond aesthetics by significantly improving your home's insulation and reducing energy costs. Key features of energy-efficient bay windows include: low E glass, reflects heat and blocks harmful UV rays. Double or triple pane glass, reduces heat transfer and improves insulation. Gas fills. Inert gases like argon or krypton between panes provide added insulation. Weather-tight seals. Prevent air leaks and drafts. Benefits of energy-efficient bay windows for Orangeburg homes: lower energy bills. Orangeburg's climate includes hot summers and cooler winters, which can lead to fluctuating energy costs. Energy-efficient bay windows help regulate indoor temperatures by minimizing heat loss in winter and reducing heat gain in summer. With advanced insulation features, these windows allow you to maintain a comfortable home environment without over-relying on heating or cooling systems, leading to noticeable savings on energy bills. Increased comfort. Drafty windows can make rooms uncomfortable, especially during extreme weather. Energy-efficient bay windows eliminate drafts by creating a strong thermal barrier. This means fewer hot spots in the summer and chilly areas in the winter, ensuring your home stays cozy all year round. In Orangeburg, where humidity and temperature fluctuations are common, this added comfort can make a significant difference. Abundant natural light without the heat. Bay windows are prized for their ability to flood interiors with natural light. However, traditional windows can allow too much heat to enter, making rooms uncomfortably warm. Energy-efficient bay windows solve this problem with low E glass coatings that let in sunlight while reflecting heat. You get the benefits of bright, sunlit spaces without the added burden on your air conditioning system. Reduced UV damage. Prolonged exposure to sunlight can cause fading and damage to furniture, carpets, and artwork. The UV blocking properties of energy-efficient bay windows protect your interiors from harmful rays, preserving the beauty and longevity of your home's decor. Enhanced curb appeal and property value. Bay windows are a stunning architectural feature that boosts both interior and exterior aesthetics. Energy-efficient options add even more value by appealing to environmentally conscious buyers. Installing energy-efficient bay windows can increase your home's resale value and marketability, making it a wise investment for Orangeburg homeowners. Design options for energy-efficient bay windows. Modern energy-efficient bay windows come in a variety of styles, materials, and finishes to suit any home design. Options include frame materials. Choose from vinyl, wood, aluminum, or fiberglass for durability and style. Glass customizations. Opt for tinted, frosted, or clear glass with energy-efficient coatings. Configurations. Select angles, 30, 45, or 90 degrees, and window types, casement, fixed, or double hung, to match your home's architecture. Customization ensures your bay windows not only meet your energy efficiency goals but also enhance your home's overall aesthetic. Installation matters. To reap the full benefits of energy-efficient bay windows, proper installation is essential. Poor installation can lead to air leaks, water infiltration, and reduced energy performance. For Orangeburg homeowners, hiring a professional installer with experience in energy-efficient windows is crucial. They'll ensure the windows are securely fitted, sealed, and aligned to maximize efficiency and longevity. Why choose energy-efficient bay windows for Orangeburg? Orangeburg's sunny climate and seasonal temperature variations make energy-efficient bay windows a practical and attractive choice. Their ability to improve insulation, reduce energy costs, and enhance natural light aligns perfectly with the needs of local homeowners. Additionally, energy-efficient bay windows are an eco-friendly option. By lowering energy consumption, they help reduce your home's carbon footprint, contributing to a more sustainable future. Conclusion. Energy-efficient bay windows are more than just a beautiful design feature, they're a smart investment for Orangeburg homeowners. From reducing energy bills to improving indoor comfort and boosting property value, these windows offer a wide range of benefits that make them a must-have for any home. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, consult with a trusted Orangeburg window specialist to explore the best energy-efficient options for your home. With the right design, materials, and professional installation, energy-efficient bay windows will transform your living space while keeping your home comfortable and sustainable for years to come.